In today's video, I'll show you one of the most effective secrets for making money online. I personally use these methods and I've been able to earn up to $50 per hour while simply watching videos. Imagine waking up in the morning and receiving a notification from your phone stating that you made money while sleeping. It may sound like wishful thinking or daydreaming, but what if I tell you that there's a way to earn large sums of money with little to no effort today? What I'm about to show you are a few apps that will pay you a decent amount of money for doing things you already do on a daily basis, such as watching videos. These methods are completely free and require no investment, so no social media following or engagements, no affiliate marketing, and no selling. The best part is that these apps are accessible all around the world, so wherever you're watching right now, you too can also earn money just like I do. And don't worry, for this is a very simple and easy way to make money online in 2022. Before we go further into this video, welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we give you ways and advice to achieve financial freedom. In a few moments, I'll show you how to make money quickly by leveraging the best and most effective platforms. So if you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video until the end. As we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned whenever we release a new content so you can be the first to try it out. Now what you see here is the first app on our list. When it comes to making money, we can see on their Facebook page that this website is very transparent about its PayPal payouts. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can also get paid through gift cards and direct deposit. Also, this app works on both Android and iOS devices, so there's no need to download it. When you return to the app, you'll get paid for doing things that you already do online, such as filling out surveys and watching videos. The first and most important thing I suggest is to watch videos, which you cannot find right here, because this one pays the highest. Simply open a lot of videos and play them all at the same time. You can even take surveys while watching those videos, and that way, you can maximize your earning potential. Now to get started, all you have to do is sign up here to get your free points. You can either link your social media accounts like Facebook or Twitter to earn more points. The first website is called instagc.com. Just follow the steps that I've mentioned earlier so you can start earning money. Moving on to the second app on our list, this program is entirely free, so there's no cost involved and it works with Android and iOS devices. The best part is that simply by downloading this app, you'll receive bonus points worth a few dollars immediately. This software's referral program is another method for making money. When someone you refer earns a certain amount, you get a share of their earnings, so you'll be sitting around waiting for them to make money for you. The best part about this program is that it allows you to make money just by logging in every day as stated previously. By completing certain activities, you may improve your level or obtain badges which will result in a higher reward level. Simply earn these badges to boost your earnings. This second app is called Appkarma.io, which you can download right now and earn while you sleep. Moving on to the third app, Cashkick.com, which will pay you in hard cash via PayPal or bank transfer. It has comparable features to InstaGC with one exception. Cashkick will pay you more. As you can see, they provide similar services to InstaGC, so you may use it the same way we did with the first app to get the most out of your earnings. Just fill in the necessary information here to get started on your new account to start earning money. Before we go any further, please subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Now on to the fourth application. Superpay.me allows you to participate in free paid surveys that may help you make money quickly because their payment turnaround is just one day, which is both safe and dependable. As a result, you can receive your earnings within a day of waiting. They also have a very low cash out threshold, and another thing is when you join this app, you'll receive a welcome bonus. Amazing, right? The concept of this app is very simple. All you have to do is simply respond to the surveys. What I like about this app is that they are very open and transparent when it comes to their payouts. As you can see here, these are the global payouts that this app has made as of today. To sign up for this app, simply click here and fill up this page with the necessary information needed to get your money-making account. Moving on to the fifth app on our list, Smartapp.io, which can be downloaded on any device or phone and allows you to earn money by simply logging in. As you can see, there are reviews about how the software works and they all give it a positive rating. To join the Smartapp research project, you must first create a free account and complete the survey, after which you can simply download the app and begin earning by simply signing in. Every day you can receive free bonuses and cash by answering a few questions and providing some basic information, and that's it! You've got yourself a new income stream. Overall, these are wonderful opportunities to take advantage of in order to generate money online. You won't need any particular skills to complete these tasks because all you have to do is watch videos, fill out surveys, and log in every day. That's all for now. Feel free to watch this video again to serve as your guide as you start to explore those 5 applications. So what do you think about these websites? Is it an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think it will be able to replace our jobs in the future as our primary source of income? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. If you love similar concept like this, take a look at our other videos, and if you like it, please hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.